Hi, I'm Mountain, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on how to count down seconds properly. So this is practice second in Game Maker, and I'm trying to use stopwatch after to count down by seconds properly to prove it to you afterwards. That is like the same thing. Count by uh here is my draw text in GUR. Here's the step. I might need to explain it a bit later. Uh, um, this is start. Don't draw global variable down here somehow. This put as normal. So create variable means create what means start. Before I was wrong my last YouTube video, but this is right. So create means start, step means while loop. And this is just something else that kind of like while loop. So this start means create, so create is two variables. Num as any max value, but this is okay as max value. I might want to count this as 10 seconds. Count down by 10 seconds. If 10 seconds is 0, then repeat again as 10, put it back to 10 seconds. Every 1 second will minus 1 second timing and repeat counting each stroke as the max value. Putting it back to max value and current to be 0 to recount us again. And this is the while loop, one of the main while loop down here. The that one means as 100%. Delta time is means as down here. But I figure what the delta time is. It should be around something that answers this as the second step, but this is more like the first step. The delta time, I think in real computer scientists, that their delta time is supposed to be some kind of computer math function in binary kind of statements. It's kind of fidgeting around the numbers in binary statements that is kind of playing around but up and down that can fidget and twitch around the time real time movements kind of average timing that it will that begin to count by like 10 seconds. And this is kind of like 10 second plus another 10 second, but the 9.5 is considered as add up another 10 seconds. That it kind of fidget to as 10 plus 10 kind of thing, equal to 20-ish. This by some kind of math function by delta time. How I got this kind of formula that should be correct after with my time watch with exactly seconds. That's not made up um, math that count by the seconds, exactly right seconds. Before I was with my Unity, it was around like 10 seconds, I guess. Well, I think this is more accurate because I'll double check with my time watch that this is more accurate. And I figure what the algorithm of delta time will look like through show debug message, kind of like print client test or something like those. Print client out text or something. So when you play it, well, maybe play another time to test it with the time watch afterwards. So I click play. You with my purchase window sometimes, or I don't know if you use it. Yeah, you will see that this thing is delta time. It's called fidgeting as a round and round pattern. Will ends up will count by itself. And here is the my room with the empty sprite object, but I had to drag it down here at least. So it will be invisible object unless you want to draw your own GUI text properly as the X position as default as exactly same as the sprite. I mean, as exactly same thing as the object location and Y and sec. So you print sec non-stop constantly, right? Then the font size. I don't know what's this. Well, I think this is index, I guess, the layer or something. So this is fidgeting as trying to like kind of like play with errors that like you just start binary that start counting by itself, in the right timing every single time. So now I'll try to maybe start this. Yeah, see, it should be around the same ish. Each time they double really check that it should be. No. Yeah, see, it was close. But I'm not like pressing that fast, maybe. Maybe even more accurate today is if I exit it and reset as 20 seconds with pretty huge number already, that should be exactly accurate. As soon need to press it twice only. We need to click save. So 20 seconds. If it's off by far, as soon as I press it on start and as soon as I press it as start, it was pretty an ending and some calculation between is really off. That means proof that this thing is math function is wrong then. It was really off by 20 seconds. 20 seconds is a really long time already. That I could be wrong if I just thought delta this one is wrong. I'll try to prove to you that hopefully it's not that badly wrong. So it's just pretty long already. Yeah. I was just counting down. So I double check when to stop. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's just 30 milliseconds off, because I can't press the button that's detailedly fits all the time. So basically, is you can just Google search stopwatch and get this receive this thing. Oh, um, yeah, properly. Yeah, with Google search stopwatch, and you get this automatically. So I prove my point right now that this function will be correct already with 90.5. I don't know how scientific proven. This is more 100% fidgeting, some kind of hidden functions, and this is more like 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 seconds or some sort, something like those, and plus fidgeting ability that will pop up by itself, calculating by itself, recalculating it properly by itself. So that's what it looks like. But I don't know what really detailed scientifically how it works, because I'm not really a real scientist, software engineering like professor. I know it's back end stuff. His back end might consider us need to be a real scientist sometimes to know how security programming works. Looks like. Well, this is just an example how to count by seconds properly, which is kind of find out by myself by playing around the numbers and know what's it like back then. So I proved my 20 seconds pretty long. It was pretty accurate before. Yes, yeah, I just don't want to press it that much and that fast with action. So I just need to copy this kind of thing if we want to. But it's just, yeah, I might try to use this thing, countdown time, how to count down seconds properly, um, with my walk cycle afterwards, not just movements only. Uh, yeah, so this is what it looks like when we are coding. Yeah, So I think I'm done my YouTube tutorial on how to count down seconds properly with Game Maker. So yeah, I think I'm done this YouTube video. Yeah, thank you.